Hello mga kapatid, welcome back again to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button at hit na rin ang notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. And on this video, I'm going to show to you the basic steps on how to insert a thumbnail on our YouTube video, and these steps are also applicable in cell phones since our cell phones can also be adjusted to desktop mode. So let's begin. So the first step ay mag-open tayo ng browser. So punta tayo kay youtube.com. So then ilalagin natin yung ating YouTube account. So just click sign in. So click sign in and log in your YouTube account. So your email address and then your password.